Hi, it's Mark Owen from Moose Marketing and PR, the editor of Punchline magazine. Today I'm with Salah Al-Majeed from the University of Gloucestershire.
Hello Mark, how are you doing?
Fantastic building we're in today.
Thank you.
And you're going to show me around.
Come over. Welcome to Engineering Technologies at the University of Gloucestershire. And as you can see, this is our new premises. So we just had it opened about a month ago for the new cohort of students. And this is the new facilities that we are having. This is, for example, this is the area where you have a chat about engineering. You could have all kind of thinking, different thinking, where it's all about engineering and all going with equations. This is the new kits that we have brought in here. It's a product line where you can see it's different type of engineering in there. It's sensors, actuators, is more control. It's really reflecting the industry for tomorrow, and we have a different kit in here where you can see more industry 4.0, and again it's about how to pass all this product line and experience, manufacturing experience, industrial experience into the students, so students will be familiar with these all around. Number of programs that we are having. We have a few programs running this year: industrial control engineering, industrial system engineering, mechatronics engineering, as well as integrated engineering as a top-up level. So we are really accommodate to all different programs. As you can see here are different tutorials from PhD students with a few PhD students in there. Our colleagues, David. Hello, David.
Hello, David.
So that's the facilities. Of course, in addition to this one, we already have another area where more electronics focus, one hands-on simulation. We believe that with simulation is the step toward product manufacturing. So what we do is seeing different type of projects. So we can see, that's Tom again.
Hi, Mark.
You can see there are the piece of equipment. We could see the translation from the software into the reality and moving from that into a product.
So what type of engineering companies and manufacturing companies, who are you looking for? What type of businesses?
Well, we're looking for a bigger, we're looking at smaller, we're looking at the medium. Engineering today is not about the product they are producing. It is about what kind of skills. So we try to bridge the gap between, bridging the gap is needed, okay, because booming with the technology, it needs a lot of different skills. What we try here is to accommodate different type of skills that can fit with different technologies, with different manufacturing. It's the mentality that we're putting the students, is the thinking where the students should think differently, or the graduate will have a different thinking and also hand skills. That is important. What we're looking at, so it could be the same product but different approach. So the different approach coming from different thinking we need different skills. And that's where what we are teaching our students, what we are developing their skills all the way to have that kind of abilities, flexibilities, and that's coming from the needs and the requirement of industry. So we had really a good engagement with companies around the area, the county, the Gloucestershire County, and those companies they've been very well thought about what they want, and for that we accommodate that thought. We've been in discussion with them in different ways, and how and what and where and why, and all of those questions, to be honest, to identify the real skills needed. And hence we put all of those programs around area of Industry 4, around Internet of Things, because this is the future. And I think the task on us is our duty to teach not only the students, even the parents, to understand what's needed. We understand, we've been talking to companies, we've been very much engaged with the companies. However, we need to tell audience, our clients, the students, that the university is a tunnel. They will go through, they will learn a lot, they will have more information, more hand skills to accommodate them to have a very good job toward the end of other side of the tunnel, and surely we're working with the companies to accommodate that one. One of the target, one of the aim of the university is not only to engage with the community around, is to accommodate and keep the generation around the county and keep them in here because this is their county, this is their community, and they should be around to keep it growing and so on. And similarly, we're talking to different companies on how to accommodate a different type of needs as well. So for example, within our programs there is a placement where students could experience early what kind of manufacturing he wants, and even with that there are a few modules where we have a partially engage with the company's real problem, and that really give more option to students to think how they could go in there. That will make our life a little bit easier to identify the right skills with the right person for the right company.
That's brilliant. Fantastic to meet you again.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Salah.
Thank you, Mark. Cheers.